Dinner for two, and a ghost. Lily and Jack were excited to celebrate their 5th anniversary. They booked a table at La Rose, the fanciest restaurant in town. The place was beautiful, with soft music, candlelit tables, and the smell of delicious food in the air. "Happy anniversary, darling," Jack said, raising his glass of wine. "Happy anniversary," Lily replied with a smile. As they enjoyed their first course, a sudden cold breeze swept through the room. Lily shivered and looked around. "Did you feel that?" she asked. Jack shrugged. "Maybe the air conditioning?" Their waiter brought the main course, steak for Jack and pasta for Lily. But as Lily picked up her fork, it flew out of her hand and landed on the floor. "Oops. That's strange," she said, bending down to pick it up. Jack laughed. "Butterfingers?" Moments later, the salt shaker on the table tipped over by itself. The couple stared at it, confused. "Is there a draft?" Jack asked the waiter when he passed by. The waiter hesitated, then whispered, "Some say this restaurant has a guest who never leaves." Lily's eyes widened. "A ghost?" she whispered back. Jack tried to laugh it off. "Come on, ghosts don't exist." But then, their tablecloth shifted as if someone invisible brushed past it. Lily clutched Jack's hand. "Okay, this is getting creepy." Suddenly, a napkin floated into the air and neatly folded itself on the table. Jack froze. Lily whispered, "I think it's polite." The waiter returned, his face pale. "It seems our guest likes your company. Don't worry, it never harms anyone." Lily and Jack exchanged nervous glances, but decided to continue their dinner. As dessert arrived, Lily said, "Well, this is a dinner we'll never forget." Just as they were leaving, Lily felt a soft tap on her shoulder, but no one was there. She turned to Jack. "I think it wanted to say goodbye." Jack chuckled, still a bit shaken. "Next year, let's eat at home." The couple walked out into the night, their anniversary dinner truly unforgettable, and with an unexpected guest to thank for it.